should have a relatively short wait to get it.
Welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. To avoid distracting our performers, we ask that you please silence your cell phones and no flash photography or video lighting. You are welcome to enjoy your refreshments during the show, but please take any empty containers with you to deposit in the appropriate bins when you exit. If you do need to leave the show during the performance here, you can leave the theater on that opposite side from where you probably came in. That door's open right now, but it's going to close. Not to worry, if you do need to leave, just give that door a push. Hey, you'll be free as a bird. That will also be our exit at the end of the show. And now if you could all help me wake up our master of ceremonies. On the count of 3, let's all say, "Wake up, Jose." 1, 2, 3.
Wake up, Jose! What is this, senorita? My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. And welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Hey, Michael, mi amigo, pay attention, it's showtime.
So it is. And what darling people I have sitting under me. Pierre, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
Mon ami, I am always ready, as you say, to put on the show. Oh, pardon, madame. That whistle was for my good friend, Fritz.
Ach, du Lieber, I almost fell out of my upper perch. Glad to see you on aboard. Sure, or wherever you are. My goodness, you're all staring at us. We better start the show rolling.
Wait. We forgot to wake up the Glee Club.
Ole, it's showtime.
In the tiki room, in the tiki room, all the birds sing bird
And the flowers croon.
in the tiki room. Welcome to our tropical hideaway, you lucky people, you. If we weren't in the show starting right away, we'd be the audience too. All together in the tiki room, in the tiki room, all the birds sing bird
And the flowers croon.
in the tiki room.
I sing so beautiful, I should sing solo.
See, so low we can't hear you.
My voice may not be so marvelous, but my profile is out of this world.
Jawohl, but the trouble is, it's not far enough out of this world. Isn't that right, Herr Schmidt? Oh, I see, Schmidt has no hair.
Mi amigo, stop the clucking. We sound like a bunch of old hens. There's a lot of birds waiting to go on. For instance,
The boys in the back are called macaws.
because of their claws.
No, because they're macaws. And our fine feathered friend is a jolly toucan. And two can sound better than one toucan can.
The bird of paradise is an elegant bird. It likes to be seen and it loves to be heard. Most little birdies will fly away, but the tiki room birds are here every day. In the tiki room, in the tiki room, all the birds sing words.
And the flowers croon.
In the tiki room, our magnificent production is yet to come. So strum the guitar and beat the drum. We've been a hit and we know you adore us. So come on and join us in another chorus. In the tiki room, in the tiki room.
I need to solve that. I need to know now.
All the birds sing once and the flowers grow.
Let's give the little birdies a great big hand.
Oui, applaud, applaud.
You down there, with both hands.
And now, senors and senoritas, please place your eyes into the center of the room, that is. We present the Enchanted Fountain.
Ach, ja. And a wunderbar birdmobile, which has birds on it, and it goes round and round. And that's why we call it a birdmobile.
Look, here come the girls.
Mesdames and messieurs, introducing the lovely ladies of the ensemble. Just like the Folly Bergère with all the feathers, there's Colette, hello Colette, Suzette, hello Mimi, Gigi, Fifi, Josephine.
I wonder what happened to Rosita.
Let's all sing like the birds sing. Lo, 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 lo.
Let's all sing like the birdies sing. Tweet, 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 my, that bird sings sweetly.
Let's all wobble like nightingales. Ah, oui, oui, c'est magnifique. Take your time from the birds. Now you all know the words. Sing along with us.
Now we want you people down there to sing along with us birds up here. All together now. Let's all sing like the birdies sing.
Let's all sing like the birdies sing.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Let's all sing like the birdies sing.
Let's all sing like the birdies sing.
Sweet, 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 sweet.
Sweet, 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 sweet.
Let's all warble like nightingale.
Let's all warble like nightingale.
Give your throat a treat. Take your time from the birds. Everybody whistle. Applause, applause, that's so good.
Wunderbar, wunderbar. Give yourselves a hand.
Ah, that was magnifique.
See, no one laid an egg but me.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have something really big for you.
Ja, the bird stands still, and the Tiki room flies away.
Mon ami, quit talking while I'm interrupting. Ladies and gentlemen, now we present direct from the islands a musical luau.
Somebody has stolen my tumbler.
I think someone has left the shower running.
Be careful, me fine friends. The gods have been angered by all the celebrating. But, me buckos, every cloud has a silver lining.
Monsieur and Mesdames, it's time to say adieu. But we hope you will always remember the amazing things which happened here in Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
The birdies have their fling. You've heard the flowers sing. Tiki's play the drums. Hear them do the chant.
And now, as long as you're all standing,
We have a wonderful magic trick for you.
Ja, a wunderbar trick. Everybody, face the door. And the trick is, we're gonna make you all disappear.
We've got